Hello, Chris Menard with an Excel quick tip dealing with really large numbers. I have the market cap for these three stocks sitting over here. Those numbers are all in the trillion, sometimes difficult to read and also sometimes difficult to read in a chart. I'm going to highlight all three, get to format cells with either a right click or control. Number one will take you there. Notice in my format cells, I'm going to go to custom. When I go to custom, my sample is the first cell that I have selected and it matches exactly cell B2. Here's the trick. Click to the right of the zero and then start using commas. So here is the first comma right here, the second comma, the third comma. So now I am at 1,858 billion, which is the correct number for the trillions. Click OK. Just so much easier to read. Don't forget to change your label so people know this. I see this in financial statements all the time for large companies. Perfect. Market cap in billion. What's nice about this is if someone goes to cell B2 and looks in the formula bar, that number is still correct. So you didn't replace your numbers, which you could have done over here with that trick, taking the number and dividing. But I don't want to have to deal with anything extra if I don't want to. Appreciate your time. Have a great day. Thank you.